Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best water heater available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. The list below represents the top-rated water heaters available for sale in the US and Canada. These water heaters vary in efficiency from an energy factor of 0.71 to 0.95. They also vary in features and price. After thorough evaluation, our team found the 5 best water heaters you can purchase. Number 1. Atmor at D24TP Thermopro. The Atmor Thermopro tankless water heater revolutionizes water heating with self-modulating technology that provides unlimited hot water when you need it, without the wait. Advanced technology regulates the amount of energy required to heat the water. This delivers major savings on energy bills and lowers water consumption. Number 2. Stiebel Eltron Tempra Electric Water Heater. Compared to a conventional electric tank water heater, a tankless electric water heater will typically use 15 to 20% less energy, although savings can be substantially higher depending on usage habits. Conventional electric tank water heaters continually store hot water and as a result lose 15 to 20% of the total energy they consume to the environment around them. Number 3. Camplux Outdoor Portable Propane Tankless Water Heater. Outdoor life always gives people enthusiasm and happiness, and Camplux Outdoor has that figured out. It can be also mounted indoors where is well ventilated if a flue pipe is installed additionally. The flue pipe not included. Camplux range is constantly expanding, so keep an eye out for quality, innovative products. Number 4. Mary Power Gas Tankless Water Heater. Mary GA10LP Indoor Propane Gas Tankless Water Heater can provide up to 2.7 gal per minute for a perfect shower at 115 degrees Fahrenheit output water temperature. It is also called water heater on demand, because it heats water only when needed, saving energy. It is designed in the USA and it's perfect to supply endless hot water for up to 2 or 3 points of use simultaneously, for a variety of residential hot water applications. Number 5. Camplux Outdoor Portable Propane Tankless Water Heater. Camplux dedicated to providing you an easy and efficient outdoor lifestyle. Portability, energy saving and innovation are the 3 key elements for Camplux. With the most advanced technology in water heating, our tankless water heaters can save you up to 50% on water heating costs. Water heaters save you money. They are also compact and wall-mounted, so you save valuable storage space for a new closet.